What's up, guys? Day 2 at Beerhead. Today I got Tim with me. We are going to work on my Z, which is already in there. We already started. With the amount of rust we get in Massachusetts, we'll be been having trouble, so we took off the W brace. We're gonna have this droop down after we take off the hangers, right here and here. I think that's it. And then we'll have this droop down so we can take off the diff, and then we'll get to it. Oh, so with some great effort, me and Tim took off the mid pipe and the exhaust. Now we are working with a diff that's gonna be easier to take out. Now we just gotta take the drive shaft, axles, and the bolts to the subframe, and then we can start changing the bushings and hating life.
Okay, yeah.
The whole secondary one.
Yup.
You're taking the diff down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm coming down.
Pump it up. You want a strap to wrap around it?
We got two. Whoa.
Okay.
Thank you.
If that's not enough, then we'll go with more wood.
Got it. Oh, Phil, you need two 10 mil, just like a 10 mil ratchet. So you have your sensors right here?
Oh yeah.
See, for both sides.
Make sure that does it.
The dip is just back heavy, so I'm just gonna put.
So you're high enough there with that?
Yeah. Oh, it's definitely
If
good.
you need some more wood, I'll get you some, alright?
Okay. Is this a 10 ball? Sorry, it's the 12, man.
I dropped a wrench on my face. I caught one of the fucking.
Nice. All right, hold it.
Why are we showing this to the camera? We got the diff out. Bring it over here. So we got the diff out, and keep your headlamp there. We are going to be taking out, I can't see it, this bushing, which is pretty hard to take out. Basically, I'm going to be drilling holes here, and then saw the inner core out, and then saw the outer core with the sawzall.
See the tool? You'd be able to push it from the back.
Yeah.
You put it right here and just twist it.
And it's like
you
a 50-50 chance of it coming out.
Yeah. You see how thick this bush is?
Yeah.
Alright.
And here's our new bushing. Come on, focus. No, it's not recording. Now it is. It is. Got it out, boy. So, quick update. Got the dang diff pushing out. Tim has been working on the actual diff, but I think, what time is it? Oh, we still got an hour till lunch. You hungry yet?
Not yet.
Yeah, so we'll we're gonna go bust this out. I'll bring the camera over there so you can see us doing the press. And then we'll grab some lunch and then do some other stuff. All right. What's up?
It's not coming out.
All right, just use the hammer method. Try it like that too.
Which one has the most angle to it?
Alright. Yo, give me some. You're also in the camera shot. Got it, boys.
Alright, let's clean it and press the thing. I'm gonna put can you work on that? How'd you do it so easily? Dude, it took me the longest time. I was there for, like, no lie, I was doing it for like an hour.
Tell us your story.
So I was doing the ear bushings, and oh yeah, don't even have the camera on me while I'm talking. So I was doing the ear bushings. It took me over 45 minutes. Philip took me like 3 minutes.
Yeah, we're talking about these here. I mean, for the opposite side of us, taking out the old ones for me was a lot harder. But these are in. We're gonna go quickly pop these in. Well, the diff in. So, do you want to do that and then get lunch?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. All right. Well, I'll put you guys aside.
Everything.
Bushings in. All right. Hold up. Do we do the? You want to do the diff fluid change now?
Yeah. Let's do that too.
Do you want to refill it in the car, or do you want to do it on the jack stand?
We're doing it on the car.
Okay. Well, I'm just saying, filling it up is a pain in the ass.
Oh, you don't have the thing?
I do. I'm just saying it's a pain in the ass.
Not really. You don't have the hand pump?
I have the hand pump,
Yeah.
not this one. Okay. Yeah. We could trade off.
It's much easier to do it on.
It's level.
What do you want to do?
Let's do it on because it's level. It's just
All right.
gonna be a pain in the ass. You have the. Oh, I get the right foot. Lock it. Is that locked?
Let's see. Yeah, it is. Just make sure it's like locked all the way, because like.
Yeah, that's what I'm scared about. It's so loose. Do you need to go forward more?
Bring it back to you.
Yeah, I got it. I'm holding my ears, so I'm balancing it.
Back to you, just a tad bit. I'm losing it.
Alright. One more? Or no?
No, I'm going up more.
Alright.
You good back there?
Yeah, oh wait, hold up. These go below it? Alright?
Yeah. Bring it back towards me.
Okay, I'm good with the lines.
Alright, so you just gotta turn it passenger if you can.
Turn it like this one?
Passenger, like turn the whole unit. Yeah. No.
Okay, that's your passenger.
Alright, now you could bolt up the ears.
I need it jacked up more.
You need it.
Yeah. It's cockeyed.
Alright, so
Down a bit.
down. Down?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think we could just deal with that.
Yeah. And then just get it in and then
Yeah, I just want to
Okay. So what we gotta do? Push that back. Nah,
Yeah. I was just lifting it up so you would have a easier time.
all right. Oh, you see how the bushing is
Angle, that's why I say you're gonna kind of punch it.
how are we gonna?
Where's the other hammer?
On the bench somewhere.
On the floor. Since this is a rubber hammer, we'll do this.
Nice.
Smart. Ice work.
Oh yeah, dude. Another update. So, while Tim does the torque specs on the diff, and I will start on the trans mount change before we put the drive shaft back in. So, I'll leave you guys here, and there we go. And this is the new one we're going to be putting in. It's a Z1 right there. Z1! What's up, guys? We're back again. Tim and I are just cleaning up now. We buttoned up everything on the bottom. We did the trans mount, trans fluid change. Let's see. Got the exhaust back in, the W brace right here. Diff bushings have been changed. And the subframe one for the diff fluid has been changed. Yeah, we're gonna go eat real quick, and then hopefully we'll have enough time to change my upper control arms. Next thing planned are gonna be my lower control arms, because those are gonna be dead very, very soon. But so we'll be right back. Like I said, we're gonna be doing the upper control arms, and I got those like right there. All right, see you guys. Missed a lot of it, but that's because we're kind of in a rush in the last 2 hours. We weren't really in a rush, but hold up. We weren't really in a rush, but we were really, really, really focused. We got the front upper control arms with some camber. I'll have to get on alignment, but it is set like halfway between, so it should be around 0 degrees. Or -1. I really don't know. But I'll just get an alignment after I get new tires. Now we're just doing the last fluid change, getting rid of oil, the winter oil, and that'll be it. So thanks for watching. Thank you to Tim for helping me out today. but he got his thanks because I bought him lunch.
You think it's worth it?
I don't know.
He's gonna be helping me, so he's gonna be helping me with my upper control.
I'll help him out because he's
only upper control arm.
because he's scared of the spring compressors.
Yeah.
But he'll buy me lunch that time, and then we'll be back at it. So again, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys next time, and hopefully it'll be on the track.